I now would like to unveil the architectural design of our expansion. Barb. We have many more pictures, renderings that you can go around and look at your leisure. But in just a few moments, we're going to be breaking ground on this construction project that's going to be increasing the square footage of this facility from 60,000 square feet to just over 200,000 square feet. As part of the expansion, we're going to be increasing the inpatient beds from 6 to 25 to meet the community need. We're going to be adding a birthing center, women's services, and obstetric services, so expectant mothers don't have to leave to have their babies. We're going to be adding an advanced intensive care unit to care for critically ill patients. We'll be increasing the number of surgical suites and totally renovating the emergency room to care for the sickest of patients, the most critically injured. We're also going to be expanding our laboratory and radiology departments, our physical therapy department, our optical and vision departments, our pharmacy, and our durable medical equipment. Basically, all of the current space and departments are going to be expanded. We'll be adding a new sleep disorders lab and a cafeteria, beautiful, with an outside courtyard overlooking the horse farm over there, a beautiful chapel and healing garden, and additional community education rooms for health education screenings, health education classes, and to be able to work closer with the community in promoting health. All this is going to be accomplished without closing our doors or disrupting any of our services. There will be some adjustments and accommodations that need to be made, but we're completely committed to continuing the high quality care that our patients have come to be expected. It's been a logistical challenge, I can tell you, to plan this large of an expansion from 60,000 to 200,000 square feet, totally integrating all of these services into the expansion without disrupting any of our current services. And the board's expecting it to go without, they want it to go much better. Raleigh, I promise you this, it will go better than the solving of the BP pipeline issue. That I promise. So I figure I set a low benchmark there, and I can't help but beat it. But anyway, we're very, very much excited and thrilled about being able to grow with the community. And you'll be able to read and keep track of the expansion online through a live webcam if you go to walworth.mercyhealthsystem.org. That's walworth.mercyhealthsystem.org. As part of our celebration today, we're going to be planting the tree of the future right after we do the groundbreaking, and this tree will be replanted in our healing garden when that's complete. Also, all of you are going to be invited to take home a sapling tree to plant in your own yards, which is really going to be kind of a symbol of the growth that can be achieved through working together between Mercy and the community. It's now my pleasure to be able to introduce Don Wyrick. Okay, and Don's going to be coming. I guess he was delayed, but Don is the village president of Williams Bay, and also Dan Lauderdale, who is the chairman of the Town of Geneva Board. Dan, I think I'll turn it over to you first.
Thank you, Javon. So many of the things that I want to say have already been alluded to, the benefits of this project being here in our community, and certainly we welcome that, and I thank Mercy Health Systems so much for selecting this area. None of this would have been possible had it not been for the cooperative efforts of the Village of Williams Bay representatives, some of whom are here. I see Trustee Don Parker in the audience. John Grove is here. George Vlach is here. Thank you. And it's been a long 2 years, but by incorporating the mechanisms that were set forth with extraterritorial zoning committees and so on and so forth, all of our needs and concerns, both the Williams Bay community and the town of Geneva, were addressed through cooperative efforts of Mercy, and it's a wonderful partnership, and it's going to go on for a long time and certainly benefit everyone here. I don't have a lot more to say other than thank you very much.
So I think, excuse me, I think what we'll do is go ahead and move to the groundbreaking and with the shovels, and then we're going to plant the tree of hope. And I just want to thank all of you for your support, and we look forward to continuing to grow with the community. Thank you. Yes?
I'm sorry, without my teleprompter, I neglected to do one thing. On behalf of the town of Geneva, and in order to thank Mercy for their involvement in the community, I would like to present a commemorative shovel to Javon.
Great.
Supervisor Keith Millard from the town of Geneva.
Hey, Raleigh, come on up here. As chairman of the board here. You can be on the other side here. Here, you get in the middle.
Okay.
Put your hand on here, Raleigh. Great. You got it. Great. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, everybody.